Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and as you can see from the title, today medyo creative yung video natin kasi tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ko ginagawa yung mga YouTube thumbnails ko. Pero bagong lahat guys, kung nagtataka kayo, sino ko at ano tong channel na to? Hello, ako po si Loren, at sa channel na to, mahilig kami sa tipid fashion. Mahilig din ako sa beauty, travel, tsaka mga DIYs. Kaya kung interested din kayo sa mga bagay na yun, please feel free to subscribe down below. So guys, may nag-request sa akin a long time ago to share parang a tutorial on how I make yung thumbnails ko para sa YouTube videos ko. Pero kasi before, ang ginagamit ko is Photoshop. And if hindi kayo familiar, unang-una is may bayad si Photoshop every month unless bibili kayo nung pirated. And then, sa computer si Photoshop, and medyo advanced na kasi siya guys. Parang talagang aralin nyo muna si Photoshop bago nyo siya magagamit. Pero ngayon guys, gumagamit na ako ng ibang apps sa iPhone or sa iPad para gumawa ng YouTube thumbnails. Gusto ko lang mag-disclaimer guys na yung mga ginagamit kong apps sa tutorial na to ay binili ko. But, don't worry guys kasi may mga apps ako na alam na hindi nyo na kailangan bilhin or hindi nyo na kailangan magbayad, and halos the same effect din yung makukuha nyo. So, ililink ko na lang yung mga alternative apps in the description box below. Also guys, you do not need an iPad to make this thumbnails kasi pwede nyo rin naman siyang gawin sa phone nyo, and hindi nyo kailangan ng Apple Pencil kasi maglilink din ako ng mga alternative stylus na pwede nyong gamitin na mag-work sa phone nyo in case gusto nyo rin itry yung mga drawing or doodle effect na makikita nyo sa thumbnail na to. Okay guys, at dahil dyan, let's go straight into the video. For my thumbnails guys, I use the Procreate app. I use the size 1920 by 1080 pixels kasi yun yung size ng YouTube video and yun yung magiging size ng thumbnail nyo. When I start guys, usually naka-prepare na yung pictures na gagamitin ko sa thumbnail. So for this, ang una kong gagamitin is yung subject. I always start with the subject, and that is, for this thumbnail, ako. So, kukunin ko lang tong screenshot ko sa isang video. And I don't like the background, guys, kasi medyo hindi siya yung aesthetic ko for thumbnails. So, ang una kong gagawin is i-erase ko yung background. So, I will just use the eraser tool, guys, and then I will erase the background and ititira ko lang yung sarili ko.
Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now.
After ko guys i-erase yung background, lalagyan ko na ng doodle yung likod ng mukha ko or yung likod ko. And you can play around with what you want to draw on your thumbnail. Depende din yun sa aesthetic or look na gusto nyo sa thumbnails nyo. Pero para sa akin, I just wanted to incorporate these colors. So, naisip ko mga wavy lines na lang yung ilalagay ko sa likod using this parang tangerine, blush pink, and pale yellow na colors para mag-tie-in sila together.
I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile.
Once nagawa ko yung guys, another thing I like to do is draw the outline of myself. I do this a lot in videos para mas litaw ako since ako yung subject ng thumbnail na to. So with this, I will also just use a brush and just simple white color para ma-outline ko yung sarili ko. Pwede nyo rin to gawin guys, especially kung busy yung background ng thumbnail nyo para lumitaw kayo or lumitaw yung subject nyo. You can draw an outline or put a shadow behind you or the subject.
Let's go to an art museum. I'll explain it at the coffee shop.
After nun guys, magdodraw lang ako ng stars and niliitan ko lang yung size ng brush and ginawa ko na lang puti yung kulay ng stars para mas neutral siya tingnan. Ikakalat ko lang siya around the video para mas catchy tingnan yung thumbnail. After nun guys, I will just choose among pictures kung anong gusto ko for my background. Ito floral pero hindi ko siya masyadong type kasi hindi match yung color. Yung second option, okay sana siya kasi pink siya pero hindi pa rin ako sold sa background na to. And finally guys, I decided to use this background kasi yung pagka-neon pink nung bulaklak match dun sa damit na suot ko. So I feel like it goes really well together. After nun guys, and if masaya na ako sa thumbnail ko sa Procreate, i-export ko na to JPEG yung file.
Take my hand.
So guys, once na-export ko na to JPEG itong thumbnail, bubuksan ko naman itong app that's called AppForType. And ito yung ginagamit kong app if gusto ko mag-add ng text sa thumbnail. So I will just type 50 facts about me kasi that was the video I made this thumbnail for. And I will just make it white again para mas litaw and may white din sa thumbnail so magta-tie-in siya together. And pumipili lang ako guys ng iba't ibang font to see which one yung mas bagay and kung alin yung mas eye-catching na font. Once napili ko na yung font guys, i-export or i-save ko na yung picture or image and ganito na magiging itsura niya.
With me next to you.
So guys, that is basically how I make my thumbnails. If you check my YouTube account, I do make different kinds of thumbnails pero this is more or less what I do average sa mga thumbnails ko. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I know it's a short video or simple tutorial. So, kung may mga iba pa kayong tanong, please comment it down below. Active naman ako sa pagsasagot sa comments. So, yun. If may mga tanong pa kayo guys, feel free to leave it down. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel kasi I try to upload a video every week. And yeah, that is it guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one. Bye!